So this is an exciting time in all our gardens. It's when all the hard work and patience that we've put into our gardens starts to pay off, and the harvests are beginning in earnest. Today I'm going to be harvesting some cabbage, so let's go take a look. Last is going to be our cabbage. The heads are nicely formed, nice and solid, so we're going to put them out. There we go. That's a nice cabbage. And we got one more right here, smaller head. Feels a little soft, almost like it might have been eaten back there. Feels like it's missing something, so I'm going to take it out. There we go. Not as big of a head, but still decent. Make some coleslaw. Maybe this cabbage will form a head. Still not tight at all, but it's closing up. This one back here, it's actually forming a little head in there. So we'll let that one go. We'll let them both go a little bit longer. Maybe it'll form a head yet. That one looks like it's going to be, it will form a head, but in a dense one, just a small one. This one could be a bigger head, a nice big head, if it does finally come together. So I'm going to let them go a little bit longer. So I trimmed the leaves, made them a little more presentable, and these are the two cabbage heads we got out of the garden. They'll make some nice coleslaw and some sauerkraut. That's a nice sized head there. That's a little undersized, but not bad. And as I said, it'll be good for making some coleslaw and sauerkraut and some good eating. It's only a small harvest, just a couple of heads. Might get 2 more heads out of it, we'll see. But I am going to be planting some more cabbage for the fall, and that's going to be down at the new community allotment. We're just going to try and get some vegetables in there and hope for the best down there. We got some red cabbage we're going to plant. We got some green cabbage again. So hopefully we'll have a good fall harvest down there, a larger one anyway. If you want to see what we were doing in the garden last week, check out this video right here, and then subscribe and hit that notification bell. And that way you'll be able to follow the progress on all of our vegetables as we try to grow a supermarket in our own backyard. Okay, thanks for watching.